In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to a Confluence space and assign the right access. First, start by opening the specific Confluence space where you want to add the user. Make sure you're in the correct space, not the global site settings. A quick way to double check is to look at the space name and key in the sidebar or the header. If you manage multiple spaces, this small check helps avoid giving access in the wrong place. Next, go to Space Settings. You'll usually find this in the left-hand sidebar, often behind a gear icon or a Space Settings link. If you don't see it, you may not have space admin permissions for the space. In that case, contact a site or space administrator to grant you the necessary rights before proceeding. Once you're in Space Settings, open the section labeled Permissions or Users. The wording can vary slightly depending on your Confluence plan, but you're looking for the area where you can manage who has access and what they can do. This is where you'll be able to add people and adjust their roles. Now, search for the user you want to add. Use the built-in search field and type part of their name or their email address. Take a moment to confirm you've found the correct account, especially if your organization has users with similar names or guest accounts. Verifying the user's profile details before proceeding will prevent access issues later. Select the correct user account from the search results. You should see their profile appear as a selectable option. Click to add them to the space's permissions list. If you're prompted to choose between individual users and groups, remember that adding a group can be helpful if multiple people need the same level of access. Choose the access level or role the user needs. Common options include view-only access, contributor or editor access, and space admin access. Apply the principle of least privilege. Give the minimum permissions required for their work. If your Confluence uses custom roles, match the role to the responsibilities they'll have in this space. Finally, save the changes and confirm the user can access the space. Look for a save, grant, or update button, and wait for a success message. It's a good idea to ask the user to refresh their browser or sign in again, and if they still can't see the space. Also remember that space permissions are separate from page level restrictions, so if they can see the space but not a specific page, check that page's restrictions as well. And that's it. Your user is now added with the right access.